chapter number 8. Comparing quantities. What is the name of the chapter?
Comparing quantities.
Comparing quantities. Okay. Now, first of all, I already taught you one statement. If you all do remember that, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. How many of you remember this statement?
I
Boys,
don't know.
I already taught you when you were in sixth standard.
No, sir.
Yes. મને યાદ છે.
Yes.
તમને યાદ હોય
I
કે no, I
don't
don't
know.
care. You don't know because you must be not present.
Yes.
કે મને યાદ છે, I do remember that I taught this statement in sixth standard because when I start any of the chapter like this, I used to explain the things thoroughly for this. What is written here? King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Is that clear? King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Any doubt with these words, with this
No.
statement?
No.
What does this mean?
The
We have
mother
to
means multiplication.
we have to simply do one thing. We have to do just take first letter of each word. Okay? First letter of each word. That means this is the sentence to get mug up so that in your future life you will not make any mistake. Understood? Very interesting statement. King Harry died. Kon mari gyu? So okay, King Harry died, but mother didn't cry much. So first letter of every word. King Harry died. Mother didn't cry much. So King stands for K stands for kilogram,
Kilogram.
kiloliter, kilometer, etc. etc. સમજાય છે? kg,
Yes.
kiloliter, kilometer, everything is included in K. H stands for H stands for this is not included in 7th standard, but I will write it so that you should understand. H stands for hectare. What does it means? Hectare. Okay?
Yes.
D stands for again, this is not included in 7th standard for you all. D stands for Deca. DECA. This is not included again. Now, M stands for M stands for boys. Can anyone tell me?
No, sir.
No, sir. You can say
Multiply.
meter, liter, then gram. All is included in M. Meter, liter, gram, everything. D stands for D stands for deci. Again, this is not included for you all.
Decimal.
C stands for આ તો include થાય છે.
Centimeter.
Very good. Centimeter. Mhm. centimeter. And M stands for
Meter.
huh? Millimeter. Millimeter, milligram, milliliter, everything is included in M, the last one. Understood or not? King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. You have to remember this statement. Now, what is the new thing in this? If, for example, if I take you with 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, બરાબર છે? સર, એ કેવી રીતે? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram કેવી રીતે થાય? You can note down this. Every word has difference of 10. How much? Every word has difference of 10. King ne Harry ની વચ્ચે 10, Harry ne died ની વચ્ચે 10, died and mother has 10, mother and didn't has 10, didn't and cry has one more 10, and cry and much has one more 10. Okay, so now you can read the statement. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Now kilogram is on the first part and gram is on fourth part. Can you see? King Harry died, then it is coming mother. Now what is the difference in between this 1 to 4? First one is 10.
We have to put 30.
10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So it will, this 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So difference of 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. જો અહીંયા ગ્રામ છે, અહીંયા kg છે. Understood what we are doing? If, for
Yes,
example, somebody asks you 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. So where is centimeter here? Didn't cry much a centimeter. And where is millimeter? In much. So what is the difference? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now, in the same case, if somebody asks you 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So how can you describe? Meter is where? On mother, and centimeter is in cry, right? And what is the difference between mother and cry? 10 tens are 100. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Interesting છે ને? છે કે નથી interesting?
Yes. Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No doubt.
For sure?
Yes, for sure.
So King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. You should learn this statement and you should understand the difference of 10, 10, 10 of in every words, so that you will never ever make any mistake to complete this thing. While putting a decimals, while putting comparing the quantities in between in any topic. Understood? I'm sorry, excuse me. Now one more topic in this I used to explain you. આપણા તો આ થઈ ગયું, ચલો. This is also done. Now I want to talk about time. This was about converting the units, right? Kilogram nu gram, gram nu milligram કરવાનું. This was about comparing the units. Now comparing the time. If it is written 1 day, 1 day, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to
60 minutes.
60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to
60 seconds.
60 સેકન્ડ. આ તો તમને આવડે જ છે. શું સરને કાંઈ સમજાવવા જેવું છે જ નહીં. So this is what you have to remember about time. In this, comparing the quantities, it will come.
Yes.
Sometimes it will be given 5 days and 3 hours 20 minutes. So we have to compare all these three together, convert into one unit, then we have to solve the sums. Understood?
Yes.
About rupee, I can say 1 rupee is
1
equal
rupee is
to
equal to 100 paisa.
paisa. You should know this. Everybody
Yes.
should remember this. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa?
100 paisa.
100 paisa. Very good. Understood? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So you have compared about the units, you have compared about the times, and you know how to compare about rupees. Make sure of it and keep these three topics in your mind. Okay? Now, what does the comparison belongs to? Let us start. If I say 10 pence was purchased for rupees 90. The question is 10 pence was purchased for rupees 90. Okay? What is the cost of 15 pence? What is the cost of 15 pence? મેં સીધું mathematical figures માં લખેલું છે. But the question will be 10 pence was purchased by rupees 90. What is the cost of 15 pence? So what we have to do, we have to first find the cost of 1 pen. As 90 rupees say 10 pen na che, right? We have to find the cost of 1 pen. Yes or no?
Yes.
If we find the cost of 1 pen, we can find easily the cost of 15 pence. So what will be the statement? Cost of 10 pence is equal to rupees 90. The cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees.
How much?
How much? Cross multiply. Cross multiply of what? 1 pen will be multiplied to 90 and 10 pens will be multiplied to question mark. So
And 1 pen is equal to 6 rupees.
1 pen, sorry, 1 into 90 upon 10, it will be 9 rupees. 1 pen is, what is the amount of 1 pen?
9 rupees.
9 rupees. Sahil, how did you got 6 rupees? Now, this is not our answer yet. This was the cost
Yes.
of 1 pen.
We have to find
Now what-
15 pen.
Now we have to find for 15 pens. So again, is equal to cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 9. So cost of 15 pens is equal to rupees how much? Again cross multiply. 1 pen 15 into 9. 1 pen will be in denominator. So 15 multiplied by 9 upon 1. So we will get 45, 4 up,
135.
135 rupees.
Yes.
Understood? Then after we can write conclusion here. Therefore, the total cost of 15 pen is 135 rupees. Last statement M લખી શકાય. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No doubt.
No.
સમજાય છે?
No doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Now, આટલું યાદ રાખવાનું. When we are going to bigger, bigger means 10 pen હતી. 10 pen થી
Yes.
1 pen માં ગયા આપણે 10 pen to 1 pen. ત્યારે આપણે શું કર્યું? ડિવાઈડ કર્યું. શું કર્યું?
Cross multiply.
Yes. And when, no, what I am saying is 10 નું 1, 10 pens માંથી 1 pen ની amount cost find કરવા ગયા ત્યારે 10 સાથે ઈ amount ને divide કરી, right? હવે જ્યારે એક પેન હતી અને મોટા ફિગરની ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય છે, જો તમે 15 into 9 rupees. Don't get confused. આ મેથડ તમને ફાવી ગઈ? Anybody has any doubt with this?
No doubt.
No.
Sure?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Now, this was about finding the quantity of each of the following sums. The sums will be related to this next topic. Up till here, do you have any doubt with this?
No
Anybody?
doubt.
For sure?
Yes.
Because the next topic is little bit lengthy and I don't think so that within 5 minutes it will be over. So I want to solve this one more sum like this. So Sahil bought 20 books, 20 rough books, okay? For rupees, let us take 200. Chalo. So what about 330 books? What is the amount that he has to pay?
3,300.
So what we have to do, we have to first have 20 books that has to be converted into one book cost. So we have to divide this amount with the number of books. Yes or no? સમજાય છે?
Yes.
So 20 books is equal to 200 rupees. So one book is equal to how much? So one book multiplied by 200, 200 multiplied by one book upon 20. Is it clear, boys? What we have to do? અહીંયા કરું છું, અહીંયા સ્પેસ નથી તો. One multiplied by 200 upon 20. So we get 200 upon 20. 20 ones are 20 tens are. Any doubt with this? So one book was for 10 rupees, right? So 330 books will be for
3,300 rupees.
books will be for question mark. So 330 multiplied by 10. જો આમાં સર શું કહેતા હતા? This amount, this product was divided with this amount. Why? Because we used to go from bigger to smaller. Big amount, big quantity માંથી small quantity માં જવાનું છે. ત્યારે શું કર્યું આપણે? Divide કર્યું. Let me explain you. જ્યારે big quantity, આ 20 numbers હતા, એને આપણે one book માં convert કર્યું. સો ઈ અમાઉન્ટને ત્યારે શું કર્યું આપણે? ડિવાઈડ કર્યું. યસ ઓર નો? જ્યારે
Yes.
જ્યારે સ્મોલ ક્વોન્ટિટી હતી ને બિગ ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં જવાનું હતું ત્યારે એની સાથે શું કર્યું આપણે?
Divide.
એની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યું. 330 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 10. સમજાય છે? સ્મોલ બિગ ટુ સ્મોલ. વેટ અ મોમેન્ટ.
તો small long માટે divide
ટુ
કરવાનું.
સ્મોલ, બિગ ટુ સ્મોલ કરો, મોટાથી નાનું જવા માટે ડિવાઈડ થાય છે. એન્ડ સ્મોલ ટુ બિગ એમાં જવા માટે જો 330 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 10 થયું, સો ઇટ ઇઝ મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? પણ મેથડ તો મોહમ્મદ સરે કરાવી એ જ રહેશે હો બચ્ચે લોગ. મેથડમાં કોઈ ચેન્જીસ આવશે નહીં.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No doubt.
For sure?
Yes.
Chalo, revise your lecture. Revise the whole thing what I taught you in the class. Okay? And please prepare
I
your
know the
Fairbook.
answer of that.
Sorry?
I know the answer.
For what?
That question.
I'm not asking you any question. I'm just informing you. Please be prepared with
Okay,
all
sir.
your things. Please
Okay,
revise
sir.
the things what we studied up till now one time from your PDF or from your textbook. Okay, boys?
Okay, sir.
Clear.
Chalo, you take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Have a nice time, boys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Take
Have a
care.
nice time.
Hey, Sahil. Hey, Sahil. Listen up. Sit down.